Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. Well, in this video, we are going to look at the last atypical cervical vertebra, which is the seventh cervical vertebra, और इसके क्या क्या features होते हैं due to which we consider it an atypical cervical vertebra. So this is also called as the vertebra prominence. Why? Because its spinous process is quite long and quite larger as compared to other cervical vertebra, and it is quite prominent. So we call it vertebra prominence. And one more thing that the knuckle ligament, जो कि सारी की सारी हमारी cervical vertebra को span करता हुआ नीचे आ रहा था, at the level of 7 cervical vertebra, there is an absence of the nuchal ligament. And secondly, if we talk about its transverse processes, so this is the body, this is the vertebral foramen, and these are superior articular faces. As you can see, they're not as large as we had in the second cervical vertebra. And as far as the transverse processes are concerned, so the anterior root is quite short as compared to the posterior root, and the anterior tubercle is absent, while the posterior tubercle we can appreciate. So there is a short anterior root, large posterior root of the transverse process. There is a foramen transversarium, and the anterior tubercle of the anterior root is absent, while the posterior tubercle is here. अच्छा जी, फिर कहा जाता है दैट हमने जो सारे ही हमने देखा कि एट एवरी लेवल ऑफ द सर्वाइकल वर्टिब्रा वी हैड द फोरामन ट्रांसवर्सेरियम व्हिच वाज अ फोरामन इन द ट्रांसवर्स प्रोसेस. यहाँ पर भी नज़र आ रहा है, बट द ओनली वी कैन से peculiarity here is that this foramen is not transmitting the vertebral artery, while the rest of the foramen transversarium were transmitting the vertebral artery from through them. So this is also one of the peculiar features of the seventh cervical vertebra, that there is no passage of the vertebral artery through its foramen transversarium. So एक तो ये होगी पेक्युलरिटी. सेकंड ये है कि इसके जो स्पाइनस प्रोसेस है वो काफ़ी हॉरिजॉन्टल है, लार्ज है, लॉन्ग है एज कम्पेयर टू अदर, और इवन अप्रिशिएट भी हो सकता है, कैन इवन अप्रिशिएटेड एट द बैक ऑफ योर नेक, एंड दिस मेक्स इट क्वाइट पेक्युलियर, quite different from the rest of these. And the anterior tubercle is absent on the anterior root of the transverse process. And yeah, so these are the features which make it. And yeah, we are not having the passage of the vertebral artery through the foramen transversarium, तो ये भी इसका peculiar feature है. So these are the features due to which we consider the seventh cervical vertebra as an atypical cervical vertebra, along with the atlas and the axis. So with this note, we are done with all the atypical cervical vertebra. बस यही है और यही इनकी peculiar features हैं. So these will help us identify these when we'll have them in spotting, right? So till now, this was all. Thank you so much.